Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna demonstrate my latest project, which is a Springboot quiz app, which I made using Java Spring Boot as well as Apache Kafka. And yeah, I have used Apache Kafka through Docker. So as you can see, I have composed the image of Confluent Zookeeper, which manages the entire Kafka broker, and also this Kafka Confluent CP Kafka and the Kafka UI. So to visualize the visualize the brokers and the topics which we have, and we have used Kafka to make the two microservices, which is the leaderboard service and the quiz service, communicate between each other. So first of all, as you can read the readme.md file, and here I have given all the instructions how to set up the entire project. So first of all, you will need Java 21 because there is some issue with Java 24 and Maven, and you have to also install Maven, which, and there are a few tutorials out on the internet. You can check whether it's installed or not using these few commands. And yeah, I've used Docker. You can also download the Apache Maven and the Zookeeper service on your local machine as well. And I have served the front end using Python. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, I have already done this Docker compose, like I composed the container, and yeah, this is the entire container. We have Zookeeper quiz, Kafka quiz, and Kafka UI. To run this project, we need three terminals for the front end, for the quiz service, and the leaderboard service. So let's start the front end using this command. And yeah, let's start a new terminal and create two more. This one will be for front end, and you can see there are three files: index.html script for JavaScript and style.css for the looks. Yeah. Yes, so this is the command, and we are running on localhost 3000. If you command click on this and click on open, this is the front end. So now we need to run the quiz service microservice. For that, we need to copy this command, both of these commands, and we need to do cd quiz service. First of all, you might have noticed in the front end it shows fail to leaderboard. So once we start the leaderboard service, it will show a different message. Let's start the quiz service first of all. The mvn clean install is for installing the dependencies, which I have already done, but you can do it multiple times. And the Springboot run is for running the microservice. And then we are going we don't need to copy the command again. We can just move to the directory leaderboard service and paste the command again and click on enter. Now both the services are running. Now if we look at our front end, the leaderboard will show a different message: no scores yet, be the first one to play. For that, let's start with my username. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Django is not a JavaScript library. Main purpose are Apache Kafka, event streaming and messaging. HTTP not found, which is 404, and CSS stands for cascading style sheets. But let's say we are going to do colorful style sheets intentionally, make a mistake, and submit quiz 4 out of 5. This is wrong, definitely. And Ariatito is the first one because only Ariatito has played. Now let's say we introduce other person named Mark, and he actually knows what CSS stands for, which is cascading style sheets, and submit quiz 5 out of 5 questions. So Mark has climbed up the ladder and he became the first one to receive the gold medal. Now we introduce another player, which can be Marco Polo, and he makes two mistakes, let's say, and submit quiz should be third. Yeah, so this was the entire application. What we did was we submitted the answers to the quiz service app, and then the quiz service the microservice actually put the data into the Apache Kafka broker. Let me give you a visualization. This is a Zookeeper which manages the entire thing, and the quiz service, once it got the data, it put it into the Kafka broker in this way, and then the leaderboard service actually subscribe to the topic, which is the quiz code, which has just one partition. You can have multiple topics in a Kafka broker and multiple partitions and multiple images as well. And then the leaderboard service, which is in the leaderboard group. A group can also have multiple services, multiple consumers, and since it's subscribed to the quiz course topic, it gets the information and then it shows the leaderboard in a way that it's like visible on the front end. So we are using JavaScript to connect both the quiz service and the leaderboard service, and yeah, that's how it works. So thanks for staying till the end, and if you want more such videos, click on the subscribe button, and also if you like this video, do give a thumbs up. See you in the next one.